Your Duski Dream Guardian comes with a remote control. The functions include on and off. You can turn the brightness up and down. You can choose one color. Or you can choose to have it on rainbow mode. You've got a 30-minute timer or a 60-minute timer. You've got your sleep setting, which will dim the light down to the lowest setting, which is perfect for overnight use. Once the Bluetooth is connected, you have the option to put the sound up or down, play and pause the track, move forward a track or move back a track.